Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Comprehensive tutorial, troubleshooting Azure Data Factory SFTP link service failures. This tutorial provides a detailed guide to troubleshooting common issues encountered while creating and using SFTP link services in Azure Data Factory, ADF. We'll cover common error codes, potential causes, and detailed solutions with code examples. Understanding the SFTP link service. The SFTP, Secure File Transfer Protocol, link service in ADF allows you to connect to SFTP servers and securely transfer files. It acts as a bridge between your data pipelines and your SFTP server. When the link service fails, data movement and processing become impossible. Key concepts before we start. Authentication. SFTP requires authentication. ADF supports two primary methods. Basic authentication. Username and password. SSH key authentication. Uses a private key file for authentication. More secure and recommended. Integration runtime. ADF uses an integration runtime to execute activities. You'll likely need a self-hosted integration runtime, sure, when connecting to an SFTP server within a private network or behind a firewall. Azure integration runtime can be used if the SFTP server is publicly accessible and the firewall allows Azure IP addresses. Firewall and network configuration. SFTP often operates on port 22. Firewalls must allow traffic on this port, or the port you've configured your SFTP server to use, from the integration runtime to the SFTP server. SSH fingerprint. When using a self-hosted integration runtime, it's often necessary to configure SSH host key fingerprints on the IR machine to trust the SFTP server. Permissions. The SFTP user account used in the link service must have the necessary permissions to read from or write to the desired directories on the SFTP server. Common error codes and troubleshooting. Let's explore common error codes and detailed solutions to help you diagnose and fix SFTP link service issues. 1. Error code 2200/2201/2202. Connection errors. These error codes usually indicate problems establishing a connection to the SFTP server. The specific meaning varies slightly, but the root cause often lies in network connectivity, incorrect server details, or authentication failures. Description. Failed to establish connection to SFTP server or connection refused or authentication failed. Possible causes. Incorrect host name or port. Double check the host name and port of the SFTP server in the link service configuration. Typos are common. Firewall blocking connection. The firewall on the SFTP server or the network in between is blocking the connection. DNS resolution issues. The integration runtime cannot resolve the SFTP server's host name. Incorrect authentication credentials. Username, password, or SSH key are incorrect. SFTP server not running. The SFTP server service is not running on the remote server. Self-hosted IR issues. If using Sure, it may be offline, misconfigured, or experiencing network connectivity issues. SFTP server is down or temporarily unavailable. Check SFTP server status. SFTP server is configured to only allow certain IPs. If the SFTP server has IP restrictions, you need to whitelist the IP address range of the Azure integration runtime. Solutions. Verify host name and port. Use tools like ping or lookup from the machine where the integration runtime is running to confirm you can resolve the host name. Double check the port number configured on the SFTP server, default is 22. Firewall check temporarily disable the firewall on the SFTP server, for testing purposes only, to see if that resolves the issue. If it does, configure a firewall rule to allow traffic from the integration runtime's IP address, ES, on the SFTP port. If you're using an Azure integration runtime, identify the Azure region where it's running. Look up the Azure region IP ranges and whitelist those in your SFTP server's firewall. Important these IP ranges are large and might not be ideal for production. Consider using a self-hosted IR for better control. If using a self-hosted IR, ensure the firewall on the network where the SHR is located allows outbound connections to the SFTP server's IP address and port. DNS resolution troubleshooting, SHR. Log onto the SHR machine. Open a command prompt and use lookup SFTP server host name. Does it resolve to the correct IP address? If not, there's a DNS resolution problem. Add an entry to the hosts file on the SHR machine, located at c/windows/system32/drivers/etc/hosts, to manually map the host name to the IP address. This is a temporary workaround fix the underlying DNS issue for a permanent solution. Verify authentication basic authentication carefully re-enter the username and password in the link service configuration. Ensure the user account is enabled and not locked. SSH key authentication ensure the private key file is valid and uncorrupted. The public key corresponding to the private key must be correctly configured on the SFTP server for the user account. The exact location and format for storing public keys varies depending on the SFTP server implementation, example /ssh/authorized_keys. Verify the private key passphrase, if any, is correctly entered in the link service. Check the file permissions of the private key file on the SHR machine. It should only be readable by the user account under which the SHR service is running, typically NT-authority/network service. SFTP server status check the SFTP server logs for errors related to connection attempts or authentication failures. Restart the SFTP server service to ensure it's running correctly. SHR health check in the ADF portal, navigate to the integration runtime section. Select your self-hosted IR and check its status. It should be online. Examine the SHR logs on the machine where it's installed, usually in C/program data/Microsoft/data transfer/log, for errors. Restart the self-hosted IR service on the SHR machine. Code example, link service definition in ADF. 2. Error code, 3200/3201, file system errors. These errors typically indicate problems accessing files or directories on the SFTP server. The user account used by the link service likely lacks the necessary permissions or the specified path is incorrect. Description cannot find the file or directory or access denied. Possible causes incorrect file path or directory double check the file path or directory specified in your dataset or copy activity. SFTP paths are case sensitive. Ensure you're using the correct path relative to the user's home directory or the configured root path. Asterisk insufficient permissions asterisk the SFTP user account lacks read or write permissions to the specified file or directory. Asterisk file does not exist asterisk the file you're trying to access doesn't exist at the specified location. Asterisk directory does not exist asterisk the directory you're trying to write to or list files from doesn't exist. Asterisk incorrect case sensitivity asterisk SFTP paths are often case sensitive. Double check that the case of the path matches the actual directory/file name. Asterisk solutions asterisk. Asterisk verify file path and directory asterisk. Asterisk use an SFTP client, example FileZilla, WinSCP, to connect to the SFTP server with the same credentials used in the link service. Asterisk browse the SFTP server's file system to confirm the file or directory exists and that the path is correct. Asterisk pay close attention to case sensitivity. Asterisk check permissions asterisk. Asterisk using your SFTP client, check the permissions of the file or directory. Ensure the user account used by the link service has the appropriate permissions, read, write, execute. Asterisk you may need to work with your SFTP server administrator to grant the necessary permissions to the user account. Asterisk if the target folder does not exist, make sure the SFTP user configured in the link service has the privilege to create folders. Asterisk dataset and activity configuration asterisk. Asterisk carefully review the dataset configuration to ensure the file path and name are correct. Asterisk in the copy activity, verify the source and sync settings are pointing to the correct file or directory. Asterisk code example, dataset definition. 3. Error code, 4200, SSH key issues, especially with Azure. This error code often surfaces when using SSH key authentication and encountering problems with the key itself or its configuration on the self-hosted integration runtime. Asterisk description asterisk failed to authenticate with the SSH key or invalid SSH private key. Asterisk possible causes asterisk. Asterisk incorrect SSH key format asterisk the private key is in the wrong format, example PEM, PUTTY.PPK format. ADF expects the key to be in PEM format. Asterisk corrupted SSH key asterisk the private key file has been corrupted. Asterisk incorrect passphrase asterisk the passphrase entered in the link service is incorrect. Asterisk Azure SSH key configuration asterisk the self-hosted integration runtime doesn't trust the SFTP server's host key, SSH fingerprint. This is a common issue with Azure's. Asterisk user mismatch asterisk the private key doesn't correspond to the user configured in the SFTP server. Asterisk solutions asterisk. Asterisk SSH key format conversion asterisk. Asterisk if your private key is in PUTTY.PPK format, you'll need to convert it to PEM format. You can use PUTTIGEN, PUTTY key generator, to do this. 1. Load the .ppk file into PUTTIGEN. 2. Go to conversions-export open SSH key. 3. Save the key with a .pem extension. 4. Important edit the PEM file in a text editor and ensure it starts with -begin RSA private key or -begin opens share private key and ends with -end RSA private key or -end opens share private key. If it doesn't, PUTTIGEN might not have converted it correctly. Azure SSH host key fingerprint configuration 1. Obtain the SFTP server's SSH host key fingerprint connect to the SFTP server using an SSH client, example PUTTY, from a machine other than the Azure machine. The first time you connect, the SSH client will usually display the server's host key fingerprint and ask if you want to trust it. Copy this fingerprint. Alternatively, you can use the SSH keyscan command, SSH keyscan trsa your _SFTP host name. This will output the SSH host key. Extract the fingerprint from this output. There are various online tools to calculate the fingerprint from the key, but using a secure and trusted source for this calculation is crucial. To configure SSH fingerprints on the Azure machine ***. Option 1, using PowerShell, recommended. Option 2, manual configuration, less recommended, but sometimes necessary. Log onto the Azure machine. Open the Integration Runtime Configuration Manager. Go to the SSH tab, if it exists. Older versions of the IR Manager might not have a dedicated SSH tab. Add the SSH host key fingerprint. Restart the Integration Runtime Service. If there is no SSH tab, you may need to manually add the fingerprints to a configuration file. This is less common and depends on the version of the IR. Consult the Microsoft documentation for your specific IR version for the correct configuration file location and format. Important considerations for fingerprints ***. Key types ***. Make sure the fingerprint type, example SSH RSA, EXA Shatunist P256, SSH ED 25519, matches the key type used by the SFTP server. Case sensitivity fingerprints are case insensitive, but it's best to match the case exactly as obtained. Multiple nodes if your self-hosted IR has multiple nodes, you need to configure the SSH fingerprints on every node. Server key rotation SFTP servers can rotate their SSH host keys periodically. When this happens, the fingerprint will change, and you'll need to update the configuration on the Azure machine. Monitor your SFTP server for key rotations to avoid connection issues. Verify private key content and passphrase ***. Open the private key file in a text editor and carefully verify that the contents are valid and uncorrupted. Ensure that the passphrase entered in the link service matches the passphrase used to protect the private key, if any. Code example, link service with SSH key. Important security considerations Never hardcode passwords or SSH private keys directly in your link service definitions. Use Azure Key Vault to store sensitive credentials and retrieve them using link service parameters. Use SSH key authentication whenever possible, it's more secure than basic authentication. Regularly rotate your SSH keys. Implement network security measures to restrict access to your SFTP server. Use firewalls and IP whitelisting to limit connections to authorized sources only. Monitor your SFTP server logs for suspicious activity. Troubleshooting steps checklist 1. Link service configuration double check all settings in the link service definition, host name, port, username, password /SSH key, integration runtime. 2. Network connectivity verify network connectivity from the integration runtime machine to the SFTP server, ping, ANS lookup, telnet to port 22. 3. Firewall rules ensure firewalls are not blocking the connection between the integration runtime and the SFTP server. 4. Authentication verify the username, password, or SSH key is correct and the account is enabled on the SFTP server. 5. Permissions check the SFTP user account has the necessary permissions to access the required files and directories. 6. File path /directory double check the file paths and directory names in your datasets and activities. 7. Integration runtime ensure the integration runtime is running and healthy. Check the logs for errors. 8. SSH fingerprints. Sure, if using SSH key authentication with a self-hosted IR, verify the SSH host key fingerprint is correctly configured on the Sure machine. 9. SFTP server logs. Examine the SFTP server logs for errors related to connection attempts or authentication failures. 10. Azure Data Factory activity runs. Review the ADF activity run logs for detailed error messages. By systematically working through these steps, you can identify and resolve most common issues related to SFTP link service failures in Azure Data Factory. Remember to prioritize security best practices when configuring your SFTP link services and handling sensitive credentials. Good luck.